In this video, we're overclocking the AMD Ryzen 5 9500F all the way up to 5250 MHz in 5 minutes or less, using the ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero motherboard and AIO cooling. I'll speedrun you through the BIOS settings and provide some notes and tips along the way. Please note that this is for entertainment purposes only and not the whole picture. If you want to learn how to overclock this particular CPU, have a look at the longer version that's already up on my channel. All right, let's do this. When you've entered the BIOS, switch to the Extreme Tweaker menu. Set AI Overclock Tuner to Expo 2. That will make the memory run at our Expo rated frequency of DDR5 8000 and associated timings. Expo 2 will load the full Expo profile programmed onto the memory sticks. Set memory frequency to DDR5 7600. That reduces the memory frequency to a stable DDR5 7600, which fortunately we had to do for this system because 8000 wasn't stable. Switch to the Advanced menu. Enter the AMD Overclocking submenu. This will provide us with all the advanced AMD CPU overclocking tools. Enter the Precision Boost Overdrive submenu. Here we can use the AMD Precision Boost Overdrive 2 toolkit to increase the power, current, and frequency headroom of the Precision Boost 2 boosting algorithm. Set Precision Boost Overdrive to Advanced. Set PBO limits to motherboard. This adjusts the PBO platform parameters, PPT, TDC, and EDC, according to the motherboard order rules. On this motherboard, we find that the following values have changed. Set CPU Boost Clock Override to Enabled Positive. That unlocks the ability to increase the CPU's programmed IF-max, or maximum frequency, up to 200 MHz in steps of 25 MHz. Set Max CPU Boost Clock Override to 200. That increases the CPU IF-max from 5050 MHz to 5250 MHz. Enter the Curve Optimizer submenu. Here's where the real magic happens, as Curve Optimizer allows us to fine-tune the VF curve for each core in a positive or negative direction. Each step represents around 5 mV. Set Curve Optimizer to All Core. Set All Core Curve Optimizer sign to negative. Setting a negative offset means the cores will use less voltage for a given frequency and boost to a higher frequency at a specific voltage. Note that the Curve Optimizer settings are highly CPU specific, so you should find the best values for your CPU rather than copying mine. I always try in steps of 5 magnitude. Set All Core Curve Optimizer magnitude to 25, then save and exit the BIOS. We rerun our benchmarks to ensure everything is working as intended and check the performance increase compared to the default settings. Higher is better, and all of our benchmark results are higher. The highest core clock reported in the operating system is 5250 MHz. When running the OCCT CPU SSE stability test, the average CPU effective clock is 5148 MHz with 1.309 volts. The average CPU temperature is 81 degrees Celsius. The average CPU package power is 145.3 watts. And that's it. I thank you for watching, the YouTube members and the patrons for the support, and see you next time.